Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the BMW X3 M40i on a 68 plate. It's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows, as you can see. We're going to start off by looking into the boot space of the vehicle. First of all, the tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can either do that from the key just here or the tailgate itself. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, which can be increased by folding down any or all of those rear seats. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and, as I mentioned, run through some controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see firstly the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. Over on the left-hand side, we have the fuel gauge, then the speedometer. Over on the right-hand side, the rev counter and the coolant temperature gauge as well. In the centre, you can see the total miles of the car. They are 59,148. You can change the information that's displayed in that section using a button on the end of the indicator stalk for various different bits of trip computer and car information generally. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have over on the left-hand side cruise control, speed limiter. We have our stereo and phone controls, the plus and minus pedal, so you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. And then into the center next, you can see the 360 parking camera. So currently front-facing camera and a bird's eye view image, but you can select to move around the vehicle. As you can see, it's really clever the way that it is done, and of course your rear-facing camera as well. So fantastic parking camera on this car. But of course there's a lot more going on than just that. So the movement I'm making on the screen firstly is being done using the iDrive system, which is this dial just here. And then selection of buttons that surround it will take you into any of the menus up on this screen. Or, as you can see, it is also touchscreen. So, media and radio is where you can access the different ways in which you can listen to music in this vehicle. And they include DAB, FM and AM radio, your own music collection, a CD player, Bluetooth audio as well, screen mirroring for certain BMW-friendly apps, and USB input. You can also pair up your phone. We have satellite navigation, really nice, clear color display. This is BMW's professional nav that you are looking at here. We've also got connected drive, so various options within there. You can see those on screen now. And then over on this far side, you can check and look at the vehicle status to include the current service update. So you can see everything is up to date with regards to the servicing, and we can look at the servicing schedule. This is servicing done within the BMW network itself, and you can see there October 2024, as well as plenty of others. Working our way down, we have the main volume for the stereo, dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air distributed in, and when you're happy with those settings, you can turn your air conditioning off and on from here, or hit auto. The car will then take full control for you, which you can hear it doing and see it doing to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. You can override that whenever you wish to. Underneath that, we have wireless phone charging, assuming your phone is able to charge wirelessly, of course. 2 cup holders. We've also got a separate USB input just there. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. The controls we went through just a moment ago. Electronic handbrake with the ability to turn our parking sensors off, change camera settings. We have downhill brake control, traction control, and you can change the driving setup of the gearbox from Sport to Comfort or Eco Pro as well. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the panoramic glass roof that we have. So firstly, there's a button that will open that sunblind all the way to the back of the rear seats. As you can see, you can leave it like this and it lets in a huge amount of extra light to the cabin area. But if you wish to, you can open the front section as a sunroof as well. The last thing I wanted to run through is the paperwork we have for the car. So firstly, in the envelope just here is the spare key, so 2 keys in total, of course. The V5 registration document showing it's a 2-owner car from new. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.